About 60 days following your implant, you will receive a Patient Implant Identification Card. This card provides information about your sensor to healthcare professionals so that the sensor can be identified correctly if you need a chest X-ray, CT scan, MRI, or other testing. It also contains your name, your doctor's name, and the serial number of your device. If you do not receive your card within 60 days, call the number in the text message you received with this video. Typically, people with a CardioMEMS sensor can have an MRI scan without issues. If you need an MRI in the future, talk with the doctor ordering the MRI scan to ensure that he or she knows that you have a CardioMEMS sensor. Also, if you require a chest X-ray or other imaging, be sure to inform the technician that you have a CardioMEMS sensor and show them your identification card.